Hey everybody and welcome back to my channel. My name is Isdianys in case you're new, but if you're not, thank you so much for returning. So for today's makeup tutorial, I want to share with you guys the makeup that I go for all the time when it comes to my Instagram photos. To starting off with this look, what I'm going to do is to go for my Kiehl's Glow formula to bring some natural glow to my face. So now for foundation, I'll be using this Match Perfection by Rimmel London in a shade Soft Beige. And let me be totally honest with you guys, I've been loving so much this foundation because the natural looking that it brings to my face, the glowy looking that it brings to my face, I swear to God, it's amazing. Don't forget to moisturize your lids, so for that I'm gonna use this Vanilla Bean Lip Balm by Burt's. So now for concealer, the one and only L'Oreal More Than a Concealer in the shade Cashmere. This is a full coverage concealer that plays so good on the skin. And one of my favorite things about it is that it doesn't crease that much, but you have to blend it immediately. To apply some dimension to my face, I'll be using this Anastasia Beverly Hills Contour Kit in the shade Light to Medium. So basically what I do is to take the lightest shade on the palette to set up my under eye area, and then the 3 shades of brown that comes with the palette to define my forehead, neck, and cheekbones. And I'm gonna put this Kiko Milano Dark Treasure highlighter on the top of my contour. So now for blush, I'll be using this NARS Orgasm in the shade Peachy Pink on the top of my cheeks and also on the top of my nose. And just because I wanted to get this kind of sun-kissed look that everybody is going for this summer, what I'm gonna do is to spread my blush all over my face. And ta-da! So now for highlighter, I'll be using this one from Fenty. This is a Ultra Baby highlighter. And for today's eye look, I'll be using my Born to Run palette by Urban Decay. And I'm gonna start building my crease by using the shade Still Hot and blending it with circle motions. We're gonna keep blending, but now what we're gonna do is to put on the top of the shade that we just applied, the shade Riff. And moving on to my bottom lash line, what I'm gonna do is to keep on working with the shade Riff. And I'm just keeping myself blending because I don't want any harsh lines on my eye makeup, you guys. And with the shade Punk, what we're gonna do is to create a wiggle liner, but it doesn't have to be perfect, you guys, because we're gonna blend it at the end of the day. So moving on to the bottom lash line, what I'm gonna do is still working with the same shade Punk. And to finish off this look, what I'm gonna do is to apply on my bottom and top lashes my Amazon Clay Mascara Front Heart. One of my favorite things to do when I'm breaking out a lot is to create freckles or beauty marks on my face. So in this case, what I'm gonna do is to draw a little few dots on the top of my pimples. So in that way, I will not have pimples, but beauty marks instead.
I'll give you my heart.
And there you have it. I love how natural they look like. It's brow time. But as you guys can tell, I did my brows out of camera because it's a long process and anybody got time for that. But anyways, if you guys are interested in see how I get my brows done, let me know in the comments below so that way I can do a video for the future. And last but not least, what I'm gonna do is to overline my lips with this NYX lid liner in the shade Bed Roses. And then to fill them in, I'm gonna use this Too Faced Melted and Made liquid lipstick in the shade Cool Girl. This is such a perfect nude lipstick. I love the formula, it's so smooth, and in general, the Too Faced products are amazing. And as you guys see, I just put a tiny little bit of concealer in the center of my lips just to create the effect that my lips are even bigger. And because I want my makeup to stay in during the day, I'll be using this fixing spray from Mina and spread it all over my face. And that pretty much completes the look for today's makeup tutorial, you guys. I hope you enjoyed it. And if you did, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and see you guys next week. Bye bye.
Give you my heart.